Well, today's the first time we're going to ride the Jolly Rancher, as Devin calls it, so let's get to it. So overall, I really liked the Jolly Rancher. It wasn't the best day for a first ride because it was very dry, rough, and choppy. So with that being said, I think I may have to switch to a fat bar and definitely going to get some foot pegs. But overall, I really like this thing and I'm ready to ride it in better conditions to see how it feels.